Thanks for coming back to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, likes, comments, subscribe, all that good shit. So today I saw a TikTok about how to make penne alla vodka, and because I'm home and hungry and bored and I got some bad news, I was like, what would make me feel so much better other than pasta? So right now I'm just gonna dice my onions. I have a whole stick of butter melting, and that's my pasta. There's like 3 types of pastas in there just because it is quarantine time, so I'm not really going out and shopping all the time, so just using what we have. And like, I don't know if this is anyone else's family where like people will leave like a little small portion of pasta instead of finishing it, so that's what I did. But I've added the onions. I diced 2 onions and I added 1 stick of butter like I said, and I'm just gonna allow it to, you know, what's the word I'm looking for, where you kind of want them to all be cooked. Then I'm gonna add some chicken that I seasoned with just regular ass seasoning, garlic seasoning, Goya, you know, shit like that. And then we're gonna add, and after that we're gonna add our crushed tomatoes and the vodka sauce, and then the pasta. Just add a quarter of vodka. In my head I picture it as like a few drops of vodka. I'll definitely include the TikTok that I saw. And now I'm gonna go add after you have the vodka, you're gonna stir it. I did add chicken like I said, that was seasoned. Just stir that for a couple of minutes. I said we're gonna, after you add your vodka, you're gonna add your crushed tomatoes. Since this is like a 28 ounce, I only used half of it, just because I'm one of those people that doesn't care for like a lot of sauce. So you're gonna let that simmer for 20 minutes, stirring every 5 minutes. I do have it on low heat. I might put it up to, actually I have it on medium heat. I want to. And yeah, we shall wait. This after you add 1 cup of heavy cream. I just got heavy whipping cream from my local Walmart. Yeah. So you're gonna let that stir it for 5 minutes if you want. I'll let it sit. And then you'll add your pasta. So I mixed everything out together. After I mixed everything, I did add some Italian seasoning that I had in my cabinets, which was like oregano, rosemary. And I added like a dash of garlic salt, and honestly I'm going to top it off with cheese. And this is definitely 5 out of 5. This recipe is amazing, definitely recommended. Once again, TikTok coming through with the good recipes. I stand.
Alright, so grab a pan, add some butter to it, cut up an onion, add that to the pan, and stir it on medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes until the onions are cooked. Then grab some vodka, add about a 1/4 cup of that, and stir for about 2 more minutes until everything's fully combined. Then get some crushed tomatoes. I didn't have any, so I used diced, and then I just kind of crushed them up with a spoon. And then I added that to my mixture and let that sit for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally about every 5 minutes. It should start looking like this, and then this, and then this. And then we're going to add a cup of heavy cream. This will really thicken it up. And stir for about 5 more minutes. And your sauce will be all done. Get some pasta. I suggest penne. I didn't have any, so I added some shells. Put it in the pan, mix it all together, put it in a bowl, add some Parmesan, basil, and garlic salt, and then it's going to be so good.